So, Jeff here, and sorry, this video is going to be in portrait, but update on this thing. It's a 2-speed chainsaw bike. Let's see right there. This is an upgraded carburetor. It's a Venturi style carburetor for, I guess it's one of the 43cc pocket bikes. It has been modified to fit this Homelite chainsaw motor. You can see the manifold. Yeah, you can sort of hear it's raining out right now, so you can sort of hear the rainwater or drops just sizzling off the hot motor. Because, yeah, it's sizzling. Oh yeah, and the muffler is, the baffle has been ripped out of the muffler. If I can actually focus, show you, yeah. You can see the seam's been messed with because I opened it up and yanked out the baffle, and it's not louder than stock. So, yeah, let's start this thing up and I'll show you. Well, it's not really going anywhere right now, but I'll show you it running. So, can't promise that this thing's gonna actually go anywhere in the rain. But I'll give it a shot. Carburetor still needs to be tuned. Yeah, there's some traffic, so. Yeah, the spindle's just spinning since it's wet out. I have some grit on the, it is gridded, but that doesn't really help. Really? Ah, damn it. Okay. This motor doesn't like the rain, probably, or it doesn't like me. This thing does have an adapter plate made out of Lexan for the, so I could get the impulse holder to work. But other than that, the thing runs pretty damn solid. But it's possible that it doesn't like the rain. I wish the ground was a bit drier so I can actually ride this thing. Yeah, I got no brakes either. Crap. Okay. This thing just keeps stalling. The carburetor definitely needs to be jetted though. I can't really go into second gear, but it's still slipping, so that doesn't really help my issue. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to take this thing out when the ground's actually dry, so because I don't think the bike likes this too much. So, yeah, that's it.